Hello and welcome to week 13 of Introduction to Psychology, and an exciting week it is despite the ominous sounding of week 13. Now, this week, before I go into the content of this week, I've been posting very recently that I went through all of the classes and I have graded everything that could possibly be graded. Meaning I've gone back through all of the old quizzes to see if I've missed anything. There were quite a few. People had submitted revisions of quizzes and I graded those. Everything is all up to date. And this is a really good time for you to review everything. Make sure I've got everything that you mean for me to have so we can move into these last 3 weeks of class and have a strong ending to the class. Just some updates in terms of due dates coming up. Your choice between the Information Literacy Project and the Service Learning Project are due at the end of next week, December 12th, those final papers. Make sure that you go into the course book and write according to those grading rubrics. I am bound by those rubrics to grade, so when something's missing, it's a 0 point, and that takes quite a lot out. So make sure that you're following that format that's in there for both of those papers, and make sure that you complete all the paperwork that's required for your service learning project. That means that there's a time log, there's a service learning evaluation by your supervisor, and there is the online survey that I'm having you do. And links to those are all in the course book. So course book, again, is the place to go there. And finally, the final project that's due in this class is going to be the personal change project due on December 18th. Now make sure, again, looking at that grading rubric, I'm telling you what I'm going to be looking at. So like almost everything in this class, very, very clear cut as to what my expectations are. Going into this week, we're going to spend the first half of class talking about a field of psychology called industrial organizational psychology. And I'm going to be introducing you to a performance model that I learned, I got a degree in that, whole separate thing, and getting into that. And then in the second half of class, we're actually going to kind of a useful time to talk about this particular topic: stress, lifestyle, and health. And what does psychology have to say that? Primarily now that psychology is at the forefront of health and lifestyle, because those are the aspects of our lives that are impacting our lifespan. Unlike now, notwithstanding the fact we're in a global pandemic, but in the past, pandemics like this used to wipe out majorities of populations, and we're not really subject to that kind of deluge of death anymore. We have lifestyle issues that impact our health, and that's psychology is actually becoming more and more important in recognizing what we can do about our own behavior in order to have a more healthy and long life. So we'll be spending some time with that. So I will see you in class, and we're on the last lap here. We have 3 weeks left in the class. Make it strong, participate, get all the work done, and we'll have a nice ending to our semester. So I look forward to seeing you in class, and have a great day.